Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today let's solve specimen question paper of History and Civics of 2025. So here are the instructions. Total marks is 80 and time allotted is of 2 hours. You will get the question paper 15 minutes early to read the entire questions. Then you'll get exactly 2 hours to write the answers. So let's solve this specimen question paper. So here the first part. So first part, all the questions are compulsory. You have to answer them. So question 1 is the multiple choice questions. So here choose the correct answers to the questions from the given options. Do not copy the question but only write the correct answers. So one article is given there. So according to this article, what information about an ordinance can we obtain from the above passage? So here option C is correct. It is issued when the parliament is not functioning. Next one, given below are details of new citizens. Question is, select the person who fulfills the eligibility criteria to become the President of India. So here option D is correct. Here mostly you have to see the age limit. Next, question number 3, who made the amendment which resulted in the below headline? So Kashmir is now Union's territory. So here it is the work of the parliament. So here option C is correct. Number 4, again one article is given, and according to this article the question is, which advantage of the Lok Adalat is highlighted in the above case? So here option C is correct. Works on the spirit of compromise. Number 5, district judge blank cases, sessions judge criminal cases. So here option B is correct. Civil cases. Next, question number 6, identify the exclusive powers of the Rajya Sabha. So here P can introduce a new all India service, Q can impeach the president, R can never be dissolved as a whole, S can introduce a money bill. So here option C could be taken, P and R. 7. Read the two statements given below about the civil disobedient movement and select the option that shows the correct relationship between A and R. So the assertions and the reason are given there. The civil disobedient movement was renewed by Mahatma Gandhi. Reason, the second round table conference was a failure. So here option B is correct. R is the reason for A. 8th, the government of country X has introduced a law similar to Ilbert Bill introduced in 1883. Who will be impacted by this bill? So here option D is correct, the judges. Here the situation is given there. Here the area in which Anand stays has had no water supply for 3 days in spite of repeated complaints. The residents have a meeting and discuss a few methods to resolve this problem. Being a follower of the beliefs and methods of the early nationalists, which of the following methods is Anand not likely to approve? So here option B is correct. Follow the method of boycott. Next, number 10. Which of the given policies is not aligned with the ideologies of the leader seen in the picture? Here option D is correct. Holding pro-democracy rallies. Number 11. Identify odd one out of the following objectives of the Muslim League. Here option B is correct, to promote cultural and social economic cooperation among Muslims. Next, 12, one situation is given there. Your school has organized a poster making competition on the topic Education Empowerment for Girls in India. Which of the following leaders would most likely be part of the poster? So here option D is correct, Jyotiba Phule. 13th, read the description and identify the person. He established the forward block and coined the slogan Delhi Chalo. Here option B is correct, Subhash Chandra Bose. 14th, which of the following countries will not be part of this cartoon? So here option B is correct, Japan. Rest are the permanent member of UN and they have the veto power. Number 15th, identify the cities most affected by America action in World War II. Here option C is correct, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, in which atom bomb were dropped by America. Next, number 16th, which of the following scenarios describes the non-alignment policy NAM? Here option B is correct. A country maintains relations with both factions during the Cold War and does not take sides. Next, question number 2. Here we have to answer the questions. So here the article is given there. Congress members adjournment motion disallowed. The notice along with another moved demanding a discussion on China was disallowed in Lok Sabha. So here first question is, who can allow or disallow the above motion? What does this motion mean? So in history you try to write point wise. If you write point wise you get good marks. So here the answer will be the speaker of the Lok Sabha can allow or disallow. This motion means to give up on the business of the House and take up a matter of urgent importance. Next, question number 2. Which category of power is being exercised by the President in the following? A. Approval of bills, that is legislative. And second, appointment of the Supreme Court judges, that is executive. Number 3. Imagine you were an artisan in the year 1856. Mention any two ways in which the economic policies of the British would have affected you. So here answer will be loss of livelihood, spinning and weaving stopped, could not compete with the machine made goods. Number 4, give two reasons for the acceptance of the Mountbatten plan by the Congress. So here answer will be any 2 points you have to mention. So it will be any further continuation of British rule would mean a greater calamity for India. Second, any further delay in transfer of power could lead to a civil war. There are many answers are there, but then you have to mention any two. Next, number 5, mention any two leaders of the assertive nationalists. So two leaders of the assertive nationalists are Lala Lajpat Rai, second Bipin Chandra Pal. Next, number 6, mention any two objectives of the League of Nations. So here you have to mention any two. So states were prohibited from entering into secret treaties and alliances. Second, could not maintain huge armies. Next, question number 7. Name the two alliances formed in Europe before the beginning of the First World War. So the answer will be Triple Alliance and Triple Entente. Next, part 2. So here I am providing you the solutions which are given by the council. So you go through by the given answers. So watch the video to get the complete solutions of this entire sample question paper of history and civics.